Glamour Chapter welcomes you to another new video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to share Hailey Bieber's stunning summer makeup look that she recently posted on her video channel. This fresh and effortless look is perfect for those sunny days, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepping the canvas. Before we start, ensure you have a clean and moisturized face. Apply a lightweight, oil-free primer to keep your makeup in place all day long. Hailey's glowing skin is the key to this look. Step 2. Underpainting. Hailey start with underpainting. She goes in with bronzer and then concealer, and then she blends it thoroughly to get that effortless look. Step 3. Skin tint. Instead of using a foundation, Hailey goes in with a skin tint. She uses a lightweight, oily-free, hydrating skin tint. Step 4. Fresh and rosy cheeks. Hailey's look is all about that healthy blush, so grab a peachy pink blush and lightly sweep it across the apples of your cheeks. Smile to find the perfect placement. Step 5. Setting the makeup. Then Hailey sets her makeup with a setting powder. Remember, if you want a glowing look, use less amount of powder. Step 6. Natural brows. Hailey's brows are always on point. She just brush her brows to get that natural look. Step 7. Glistening eyes. Hailey keeps her eyes simple yet mesmerizing. Apply a soft pink eyeshadow all over your lids for a subtle glistening effect. For some extra definition, add a soft golden shade to your crease. Step 9. Juicy lips. For Hailey's juicy lips, use a tinted lip balm or a glossy lip tint in a natural shade. This will keep your lips hydrated and plump throughout the day. Step 10. Highlight. Lastly, use some highlighter and highlight your cheeks. You've achieved Hailey Bieber's effortless summer makeup look. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed recreating Hailey Bieber's summer makeup look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and celebrity-inspired tutorials. See you next time. Bye.